Hey, how are you? This is Adrian Flores from Actifio, and I have a pretty cool video for you. I'm going to show you how to move virtual machines from on-prem to Microsoft Azure Cloud. Enjoy. Okay, here's a quick description about this environment. Um, I have two machines. One is a Linux machine and the other one is a Windows machine running on a data center on-prem. And through Actifio, which already captured its data and is managing this data, we're going to be able to select any point in time that we want of these virtual machines and effectively start a new machine. This could be used for a data migration or disaster recovery. I will be able to start a new machine on Microsoft Azure Cloud, as I'm describing here. So fairly simple. Let's just go through the demo and enjoy. All right, let's go to the Microsoft Azure Cloud and take a look at the VMs that are already running there. There's one called Azure Linux Tests, which is not the one we care, and 3 others that are already running. Let's go first and take a look at this machine, which is a Windows 2K. And through the AGM, the first thing we're going to do is select Remote Recovery System. We're going to use the Actifio appliance that is running in the Microsoft Azure Cloud. We need to give a name to this system that we're going to recover, which will be Azure Windows Recovery. We need to plug in the region, network ID, client, domain, secret key, subscription ID. We could also select the type of disk that we're going to use. We're just going to leave the standard, but we could use premium solid state disk. And obviously the region can be changed. Other than this, and potentially the CPU and the number of cores, and also the disk that we're going to use, all we can do is just select OK and start the job. Let's now go again and look at the second system, which this is going to be a Linux. It's called Demo Oracle 5. Same process. We're going to do a recover system, give it a name, select the target, which in this case we want to recover in Azure. We can select the CPU, memory, plug in all the client, domain, secret key, and subscription IDs, the disk type, the region, and once we're all set, just click Submit. Then the next step is to go to the job monitor and check the status of the recoveries. Here we can see the Demo Oracle 5, Linux, and the Windows Server. All we have to do is wait. After some time, we can go back and check the status. Here we can see Demo Oracle 5 took about 16 minutes to complete. In order to check that, let's just go directly to Azure and check the status. Here we can see there's a Linux recovery server test. Grab the IP address and then just try to connect to that server. Server is up and running. That means that we do have a new server. It's ready to go. Let's just run a few commands and we basically can verify that the server is up and running. Anything that was that belonged to the server is effectively now ready to go. Now let's just check the Azure Windows Recovery System. Same process. We grab the IP address, point to it, and see if the server is up and running. Same thing we did before. Now we have a second server up and running. So here it is. Hopefully you enjoy and see you next time.